Okay, so we have a surprise today, and I got an item today in the mail a little earlier than I expected, which was from the Shein outlet. I've never ordered from them before. I was a little bit hesitant because the shirt was only $3 and there was no insurance for the shipping. So I kind of was risking possibly just losing $3. But basically on the Shein outlet, I've been needing to replace my black military style lace-up boots, and I have a tall pair that they're like knee-high, but the ones that I always wear, like to the point of beating them to death, like literally the heels are falling off of them, is like my ankle ones. So I saw on the Shein outlet that they had a pair up for like $4, and so I wanted to order that just by itself, but they have like a 2-item minimum for the outlet, I guess. So I went ahead and ordered this shirt as well, just kind of to fill up the order. And it was only $3 and it was really cute. The design was actually something I'd seen it on Amazon, like on a hoodie, and I had wanted it for like Christmas. So I was like, oh perfect, I'll just get the t-shirt version of that. So we're gonna open that right now, and I'm gonna take a look and see how it looks, try it on and everything. Bonus stuff. So if y'all don't know by now, like half my wardrobe is all alien themed. I'll probably do an entire video on just my alien themed wardrobe. Okay, I got the size small. This already looks really cute. I'm excited. The girl in the shirt kind of looks like me, so I was like, ooh. Oh! It's like hard to open. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Ooh, it's soft. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so it's like a, looks like they kind of like screen printed it on there. The screen print job is not the best. And the shirt is a little bit big for a small, but that's okay. I've been into the whole oversized tee thing right now. Okay, so it's kind of like a soft, isn't that cute? Oh my god, I like it. I don't care that it's like janky. It's only like $3. Like, honestly, like screen printing is not too bad. It just looks like they kind of got like some hair and like some dirt in the screen printing. I don't know if you can kind of see. It's really not that noticeable. Like, you can kind of see on his head a little bit, some of the dots. But it's not that bad. But yeah, like the girl kind of looks like me. She got bangs and everything. She's unzipping herself. She's got an alien on the inside. Bless me. Yeah, it smells like screen printing ink. I used to screen print shirts myself. Not like this, where this like iron-on transfer. Yeah, it's cute. I like that it says "Be yourself" because, you know, inside I'm just a gray on the inside. I'm gray on the inside. I'm 50 Shades of Gray. This is really cute. Okay, I'm gonna try this on with like a skirt or something and like tuck it in and see if I can get that like cute baggy effect or whatever, like the cute, like, you know. So let's try this on. Okay, so here's the shirt on. I decided to just pair it with my high-waisted leggings that I'm already wearing. I forgot I was already wearing something high-waisted, so I don't have to try it on with the skirt really. Yeah, I do like it a lot. It's got that cute baggy effect going on. The only thing is I wish the screen printing was like up here, because then you could actually see the part that says "Be yourself," because I feel like right now with how low it is, you can't really see the words, you know. So that's my only qualm about it. I mean, otherwise you can see the design, so that's fine by me. And it's really cute. I really like it. So yeah, it was $3. 10 out of 10 would buy again. So yeah, let me know what your experience is with Shein. I'm really into the whole retro, like alternative grunge kind of stuff. So I use Shein as like my replacement for like Cocopi or things like that, just because it's a little bit cheaper. So I'm gonna be trying to emulate some of those looks, like Instagram looks and all that other stuff, just like as cheaply as possible. So if you're into the whole retro grunge thing, then I will link all these items in the description below so you can figure out where to get these cute things yourself. Yeah, let me know your experience with it, and I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one.